What's up, YouTube? Van Man, back at you with another video. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for taking time out your day to watch my videos. I hate the lighting, but sun's setting and I don't have the greatest interior lights. But anyway, I just got off work and I was making a run, and on my way, I'm like, man, I'm hungry. So I want to stop off and get something to eat. I was picking, so I like to go for some wings. So I stopped by this place called the Wing House. Yeah, the Wing House. And I got a 5-piece lemon pepper. I graded on a 1 to 10. I'm not gonna be long on this video because I'm trying to get settled down for the night. Get me a shower. Got some ranch dressing. But before I do it with the ranch dressing, let's try the wings naked. Lemon pepper. Rub it in a little this lemon pepper seasoning. Crunchy. They're hot enough, heat-wise. Let me take one more. I'll say, I have 1 to 10. I give these wings I give them a 6. They were hot enough. The lemon pepper is not real. You can't really taste the lemon pepper. It's not as with the blend of salt and lemon, but it's okay. Try one with the ranch. I should have rated it before that, but the ranch only turned it up like a half a point, 6.5. I paid. Now that I look at it, yeah, I paid like almost $12, $11 and some change. But the girl who took my order, Christy from Louisiana, man, had the curly fry, the with the blonde highlights. Man, little thing from Louisiana, from Bossier. If you happen to see this, she did it for me. But anyway, yeah, yeah. Hold on, this video is getting. But anyway, yeah, the wings, they're pretty decent, and let me try a piece of celery. It's celery. But anything, I will be back here. I think she's in the Old Guys. Anyway, guys, that's this food review. Hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed purchasing the wings. So I'll catch you on the next one. Van Man.